Welcome to Website Development 1 at College of the Canyons. This is your instructor, Teresa Pelkie. I would like to give you an orientation to the layout and functionality of our online course. This course is being conducted on Canvas, and you will notice as you enter this course, this is the home page. You see the home page link highlighted. On the left-hand side, you see a navigation menu. Further on the left-hand side, you see how to access other features of the Canvas Learning Management System. On the right-hand side, you will see assignments that will be due in the near future listed. Our course materials will be placed in the modules section. The modules can be collapsed and expanded. So here I have some course resources. I have some video tutorials on using Canvas. I recommend using an HTML editor, and I have information for you on that. Here is other information that will be valuable as we progress throughout this course. I have information for tutoring and online office hours. I also have information on the Mindtap addition to our course, which we will be using, and I will cover that shortly. Every week will be placed in a module, and you will have materials and other activities that you will be needing to do listed there. These modules are organized according to weeks, and I have listed the area in the book. In the book, the chapters are called tutorials, and they're all broken down into 3 sections, so we will be covering one section from each tutorial every week. I will have the assignment for that tutorial posted on the first week. So as you work through each tutorial, there will be instructions for writing code as you learn how to use that code. So at the end of each tutorial, you will be submitting the assignment that is progressively accomplished throughout that chapter. You don't have to actually start working on it right away, but you probably will. So this assignment will progress through tutorial 1.1, 1.2 to 1.3, where you will finally submit it based on the due date. So here I will have this assignment posted for every week in tutorial 1. It is the same assignment that progresses through each of the 3 weeks. I just want you to be aware of that. We will also have quizzes and additional activities that are performed using the Mindtap software. In the course modules, the 3rd category here is listed as Mindtap. Again, you can collapse and expand these different modules. The first thing you will need to do is you will need to register. So this link will enable you to register. Once you have registered, you can come back on a weekly or more frequent basis to access Mindtap. So this is where you can access Mindtap, right here. So first this link allows you to register, and then it takes you into the Mindtap program. You need to load it into a new tab or window. So this is Mindtap. And what it is, it's an online application that is based on your book. All the way on the far right, there are tools that enable you to access the book, create notes, and there are some other applications that might be useful for you. So right in the middle is the electronic book so that you can read it online should you wish to do so. In the body of this window here, we see getting started with Mindtap, getting started with the coding labs, and then each tutorial. I will be assigning parts of the tutorials, and when I assign them, they will be linked in the Canvas course. However, you are welcome to come in here and go through the various resources that they have for you. There is a lot more available for you to learn outside of what I have assigned. Do not pay a lot of attention to these scores over here because the scoring may be different from how I will grade you. So again, we have this ability to collapse and expand. So we will be spending 3 weeks on every tutorial, and there are additional activities here for you. Some of them will be assigned, some of them will not. The ones that are not assigned are for your own individual learning. You might want to watch some of these videos to get a better understanding of Mindtap. Some of the assignments will be done in the coding lab, and again, some videos to showing you how to use the coding lab. There are data files for every tutorial. However, I will provide the data files that you need for each assignment on that assignment page. There are 2 views of the Mindtap interface here. The default view is the outline view, and we also can go into the calendar view. In the calendar view, you should see activities that I have assigned for you. So in Mindtap, activities that I have assigned for you will be visible to you. In Canvas, these activities are only available to you when we reach that week. So this is the outline view, which I think is better for you, where you can actually see the tutorials, and then you can preview, and you can also go in and start reading. So the electronic version is a little nice because it's all hyperlinked, and as I said, I believe you have the ability to go in and edit, bookmark pages, make notes for yourself, etc. So that is one of the reasons why we are using Mindtap online, because there is a lot more functionality in an electronic book that has electronic activities than a general traditional paper book. So just be aware that you are opening tabs. You now have a tab open here for Mindtap, and on the left we are back into our Canvas class. Once you access Mindtap, you can switch back into Canvas using that tab. Mindtap activities can be closed by clicking on the X, and it takes you back into the Mindtap interface here. So at the end of each tutorial, there will be a coding assignment in addition to the tutorial code that you will be developing and you will be submitting to me. The first couple assignments will be sent to me by uploading the files in the assignment tool. After that, you will learn how to configure your files on the CAWT web server. We will look at placing files on the web server a little later in this course. Feel free to contact me at any time should you have any questions. I wish you all a great semester.